Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you what a spa night looks like for me. I like to do these about once a month, really treat myself and do all the self-care things. So let's get into it. I like to start off my spa nights with running my favorite essential oil in my diffuser. It really helps to set the tone and the mood and helps to relax me, and plus it just smells really nice. Alright, so I took off all my makeup and now I'm going to apply some skincare, and I'm going to be doing a peel tonight. And this isn't one of those medical grade peels that literally makes your skin peel off, but this is just a light exfoliating treatment. I like to do this maybe once a week, but definitely on spa nights it's a must for me. And I leave it on for 10 minutes max and then I take it off. I have some really fun skincare tools that I like to use for spa nights just to feel extra fancy and like I'm treating myself. So I'm just doing a little facial massage right now. And spa night would not be complete without a Hydrogel Mask. If you've ever gone to facial, you know they always apply these at the end of your facial. And they're so fun, so I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to use this one. My esthetician who does my hydrofacials actually sent me this one, and it's so fun. Alright, we're going to jump in the shower, and I like to start with a coffee scrub. I do this all over my body, and it just has so many benefits and helps to get circulation going. I typically wash my hair about once every 4 days or so, and by this point there's a ton of product and dry shampoo and buildup on my scalp, and my scalp just needs some love. I've been testing out the Everpure Scalp Care and Detox Shampoo and Conditioner because my scalp and my hair desperately need a detox, and I have to say I'm really impressed with it. It does a really good job of deeply purifying and cleansing my scalp of all the dirt, product buildup, all the oil, and it does all of that without stripping my hair of its natural oils, so my hair doesn't feel dry after using the system, and it also doesn't strip my color. This formula is sulfate free, which is really important for protecting your hair color, and I love that it contains menthol because it's just very soothing and cooling on your scalp, which is really nice. I'll pour myself some hot tea, and my favorite right now is rose hips tea. And I'll just lay in bed and watch some Netflix, chat with you guys on Instagram, and end my night here. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.